Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I've got this here. This is a set. Do not separate. But what this is here is it's going to be a 3-pack of your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, and it is just bottles, so you can fill it with whatever you want. And I figured, okay, I'll try to make my new place look like it's actually a nice place, make it look like a hotel, I guess. But just figured it would be kind of nicer than just having my bottles of stuff. I know what I'm using for my shampoo and things, so for me, it doesn't really matter too much as far as the labels and all. But I figured, hey, why not do it this way? Then I also it's because it's clear like that, you know how much is left and everything. And it's always nicer to have a pump than it is to have a than it is trying to figure out what's left in the bottle. So we've got these 3 bottles here. Let me see. How do I do the pump on it? Let me see. Let's see. I'm sure I have to somehow release it so it pumps. Let me see, what did I do wrong? I had to return it from here, so now we got the pump. So this is what it'll look like here. So I'm gonna have this inside of my shower with, this one here says what, body wash. It says, love life, love yourself, everything will be fine. And let's see what these other ones say. See if they say anything different. Yeah, conditioner. Oh, it says the same thing on the conditioner and on the shampoo over here. It probably says the same thing. It does, but it says shampoo. So there you go. So that's all 3 of them. Super cool. Thumbs up for me. I like these.